Okay. K-turn is basically a U-turn when you don't have enough space. Just like this road, you need to go a little bit back up and complete the turn. So this is a K-turn. K-turn, another name is three-point turn. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to do the K-turn. So first thing for the K-turn, to check that out, you have enough space from the front car or cone. If you have enough space, then you have to put it in drive mode, or if you have a manual car, you have to put it in first gear. Then put the blinker towards left, turn all the way towards left, then check that out on that mirror whether the car is coming out from the front. Most of the time in the exam there is no car, but still you have to show them that yes, you are checking on it. Then just release the brake, and if your car is not moving, then you have to push the little bit accelerator. Then couple of times you can make a complete 90-degree, but look at that, in this space there is not enough space, so I won't be able to do the full 90-degree. Then there are two options. You can go straight reverse, or in this case I'm just turning all the way to the right in reverse gear, and hold the hand on this headrest, look back, and you have to go back. Make sure in this type of situation, do not look at the backup camera on your car. If you look at the backup camera, the examiner will understand that you don't have any idea about how the car length and everything on it. And make sure on the mirror, check that out, how far the car is from the rear tire. In this time, you can hold the steering with the one hand as well, no problem. Then put it in drive, put the blinker once again. First blinker and last blinker is so important for the K-turn. Then don't do the full turn, otherwise if you do the full turn, you're gonna be ended up into the right side, left side of the road. So make sure when you do the final turn, your car have to be on the right side of the road. And slowly remove the steering until the car make complete stop. Then when the car looks straight according with the road, the K-turn is finished. One more most important thing is that when you do the final turn of the K-turn, most of the people, what they did, when the car looks like this, they put the blinker, do the full turn, and then hold the steering until the car makes straight. But look at that, in this case, what is going to be happen? You're gonna be in the middle of the road, and look at the school bus right now. He is not getting enough space to cross me, so never ever do that.